What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Today I got a special video going on here, and basically this is my C6 Corvette, as you guys can see. And what I'm doing, I'm actually installing one of these X-PEST Ultrasonic Rodent repellers. Now, a couple of years ago I had an issue with my newly purchased Jeep Gladiator, and I noticed that one day I opened up the hood liner was all chewed up, and they actually made mice made a little nest near the battery. So I started looking into how am I gonna try to avoid this, and I came across these ultrasonic rodent repellers. So I actually put one in the Jeep and never had an issue again. So do they work? I think they work. They seem to work very well. I've had good luck with mine. I actually put one in my Acura here, my MDX. Just every once in a while the car is outside, so I just want to keep an eye on it, make sure that the wires don't get chewed up. And I also have the Lexus, the GS 350F Sport. Did the same thing with that. So I highly recommend these ultrasonic rodent repellers. I'm going to show you how simple these are to install. I actually installed one in the Corvette already, in the corner here, right near the battery, actually right on top of the battery. And the nice thing about these units is there's 3 different options. You can use batteries, you can plug it directly into your battery, or you can use an outlet with the USB. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So this kit actually comes with 4. So as you can see, I have 3 there and 1 in the car. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a code for 40% off of this through Amazon. So it's definitely a great deal. So like I was saying, so it comes with the power cord here if you want to hook it up directly to your battery. And it has an inline fuse built right into it, which is great. You have the option of using batteries, right? So that's 4 AA batteries, or you can use a USB adapter. So let's let that focus right there. So that plugs into the unit, and you can use any USB plug. If you have a USB in the vehicle, you can use the USB in the vehicle, or you can just use one of these charging ports like this. Let's actually test that out real quick. So it's going to be a little difficult to do it one hand, but we're going to be able to get it. So hold on a second. Plug that in. Hold on one second, let me just plug that. Okay, we're back. So as you can see, I have this thing plugged into the USB, and I'm going to turn it on. And you can hear it. It's actually making some sounds and flashing some lights. I know the mice don't like those lights. They want to stay away from lights. And the sounds, they don't like those sounds either, of course. So these are really good, guys. You can use these in your garages. It doesn't have to be just a vehicle. You can put it in your garage. You can put it in a shed. You can put it in a barn. Nice thing about this, you don't have to use it in your engine compartment. You can actually just throw it inside the actual vehicle in the trunk. So you got a lot of different options, which is great. Like I said, I already installed one here, and all you gotta do is flip the switch, and that's it, guys. Again, very simple. I want to thank, oh, the box dropped. I want to thank X-PEST for sending this out. Like I said, they're the sponsor of this video. I'm going to leave that description in the description below. That way you guys can get that, take advantage of that 40% off. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.